Okay, students, today we will see nomenclature of ketones. Okay, for the nomenclature of ketones, first you should know how ketones molecules looks like. If you remember, ketone contain carbon double bond oxygen, and from both sides there will be carbon but no hydrogen. If hydrogen is there, then that will be aldehyde, and with respect to that, ketone differ from aldehyde. So first point that you have to remember is for ketone there is a presence of C double bond O. So then how to name molecules, that question arises, and that today we are going to learn by a common name system, IUPAC system for different type of ketones, aliphatic, aromatic, early cyclic, etc. Okay, so we'll start with that. So I'm moving to next. Here ketone contain C double bond O. Okay, suppose for that C double bond O, from one side there is a methyl group and from another side there is a methyl group. Okay, now for C double bond O as a class name we can write ketone. Other than that, what is there in molecule? There are two methyl groups. So you can write those as dimethyl ketone. Okay, so it will be its common name. It is also called acetone. Okay, if two different groups are there connected to C double bond O, then two different names will be there. But as a family name, there will be word ketone as a last word, and before that, two different names you have to arrange according to alphabetical order. So it will be ethyl, methyl, ketone. So it is common name wording for ketone. So ketones in common name system are named as dialkyl ketone or as alkyl alkyl ketone. Alkyl alkyl, two different groups if present, then alphabetically you have to arrange them as alkyl alkyl and last name will be ketone. So it is about common name system. Then we will proceed for few more examples. So here think about this molecule CH3, CH2, C double bond O and again CH2, CH3. Definitely you will identify this molecule as ketone. Okay, so you will write it as ketone. But other than that ketone, what it is, there is a ethyl group and there is also ethyl group. So two ethyl groups are there. So you will write it as diethyl ketone. Okay, so it is about common name system for ketone. It is applicable for simple, smaller molecules, okay, of ketone type. Now then very important, that is IUPAC system we will see. So for that, okay, come to the next slide. Now here I am writing molecules. So you know for ketone around C double bond O, there are two groups having carbon atoms. So here molecule must be of at least 3 carbon atoms. So here one alkane I am writing CH3, CH2, CH3. If you remember, it is called propane. What is it? Propane. Another molecule I am writing, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. If you remember, it is fourth hydrocarbon alkane. Its name is butane. Okay, how we can change them into ketone? So for that we have to do little modifications. Okay, what kind of modifications? Just see what I am doing here. Okay, I am removing that hydrogen atoms of middle carbon. Okay, I am rubbing out that hydrogen atoms of middle carbon, and there I am writing C double bond O and C double bond O, so that it is not propane then, it will be not propane, it will be not butane. Now then what modifications we have to do? We have to replace that suffix E of alkane by ONE. So E 2-ONE, that E of alkane, suffix E of alkane is replaced by ONE for ketone, because in ketone name there is a ONE as a suffix, and that suffix is taken there at the place of E of parent alkane to make it alkanone. So IUPAC wording for ketone is alkanone. So here name of this molecule, first molecule of 3 carbon atom will be propanone, and name for molecule containing 4 carbon atoms will be butanone. So here E you have to replace by ONE. So it become butanone. Okay, so it is second example. So simply you have to change parent alkanes E to ONE to make it as a ketone. So it will be propanone, it will be butanone, like that. It is about simple molecules by IUPAC system. Okay, we will go for a little bit different, but as a substituted ketones. Okay, I am writing here another example. Okay, here I am writing carbon, 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 carbon chain. Here again I am making it little bit branched chain somewhere, but at middle carbon. On middle carbon you have to put functional group, that is C double bond O. Then rest remaining valencies you have to write hydrogen atoms for that. So it will be CS3, it will be CH2, it will be CS3, it will be CS3. Then what it should be? Suppose here I don't want to write hydrogen and I want to put chlorine there. Okay, so this is molecule suppose for IUPAC nomenclature. Immediately we will identify it as a ketone since it is having C double bond O. So then you will, if you remember, you will remember it as it must be named as alkanone. So for that you have to select parent alkane by counting carbon atoms of longest continuous carbon chain. So here like this it is of 5 carbon atoms, like this also it is of 5 carbon atoms. But we will not jump from this methyl to that methyl to count it as a part of longest chain. So here parent alkane will be pentane. But then question arises, what about 1/6 carbon? So that will be there as a branch, that will be there as a substituent. Along with that there is a chlorine. Along with that there is a chlorine. So you have to give information in a name. So there you have to write methyl, there you have to write chloro, but their position also you have to indicate, and for the position you have to carry numbering to carbon atoms of longest continuous chain. So for that again you have to select that particular side which provides lowest possible number to carbon having double bond O, that is ketonic carbon. So from left side we have to proceed for numbering 1, 2, then ketone groups comes there on carbon 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this. So here chlorine is there to carbon number 4, methyl is there to carbon number 4. Then you have to write methyl and chloro, that substituents information first and according to alphabetical order. So it will be 4 chloro, 4 methyl, parent alkane is pentane, so pentane. But what is position of double bond O? Again that you have to indicate. Now with respect to this it is different from aldehyde. In case of aldehyde that carbonyl carbon is terminal. So that is always first. So no need to indicate their position. You studied that. But in ketone you have to indicate where that double bond O present. So here you have to write it as therefore 2. Pentane 2 ONE. E की जगह ONE आया, but along with position, that is number where that double bond O is attached. So it is about IUPAC name system. Okay, we will proceed for aromatic. Okay, ketones. So here for aromatic ketone, I am taking an example. What aromatic ketones are there? That ketonic carbonyl carbon must be attached directly at least to one aromatic ring. Okay, so here this site is connected to benzene ring. To another side, if I am writing methyl, it is also okay. It is aromatic ketone. Okay, its accepted IUPAC name is acetophenone. What is it? Acetophenone. Okay, so here its name is acetophenone. Now then you know its derivatization is possible. Substituents may be there on a remaining 5 carbon atom anywhere. So here that you have to take care of while writing name. So here I am writing chlorine. Okay, so that position of chlorine you have to indicate. So chloro, what is position? Give numbering in such a way that will appear at lowest possible number. So for chloro acetophenone will be its name. Okay, then one more example I am writing here. Again I am taking an example. COCS3 is nothing but C double bond OCS3. Here I am writing NO2 group. So how you will name it? So you have to start numbering from ketonic carbon 1, 2, 3 like that. That will give lowest possible number. So its name will be 3-nitro acetophenone. What is its name? 3-nitro acetophenone. So like this you have to remember for aromatic ketones. Then we will proceed for alicyclic or cyclic alicyclic ketones. So here suppose I am writing one molecule of 5 carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners, so 5 carbon atoms. So it is cyclopentane. What is it? Cyclopentane. Parent alkane is cyclopentane. Somewhere I am writing double bond O, then it will be not cyclopentane. Okay, so that E you have to change to what? ONE. So it will be cyclopentanone. So in case of that means cyclic ketone, okay, if that C double bond O is directly connected to cyclic ring structure, you can write as cycloalkanone. In this case, it is cyclopentanone. Okay, so another example I am drawing here. C double bond O and CH2, CH3. So here, from one side there is a ethyl group, from another side there is a cyclohexyl ring. Okay, so its name will be, you have to consider parent alkane of 3 carbon atoms. So that will be propane. What will be that? Propane. That propane's E you have to replace by ONE. So numbering you have to start from that 1, 2, 3 like this. So here propan 1 ONE, but again to the carbon number 1 again there is a cyclohexyl. Cyclohexyl propan 1 ONE is its IUPAC name. Okay, suppose if substituents are there. Okay, I am drawing here again molecule of 6 carbon atom. Here I am writing C double bond O. Here I am writing chlorine. So it will be, its numbering will start from carbon having double bond O. So to this direction will provide the lowest possible number to chlorine. So its name will be 3-chloro-cyclohexanone. So like this you have to name ketones. Okay, in common name system, in IUPAC system, etc. So we have to consider common name system for simple smaller molecules. Wording will be as dialkyl ketone or alkyl ketone. If same are the groups, we can write them as dialkyl ketone. Okay, if different groups are there, you have to write those as alkyl ketone. So it is about 2 different groups and they should be represented in alphabetical order. In case of IUPAC system, you have to name them as alkanone. E of parent alkane is replaced by ONE. Position you have to indicate where exactly that double bond O present. Numbering you have to give in such a way that should appear at lowest possible number. In case of aromatic ketone, you have to remember acetophenone, benzophenone, etc. and their derivatives you should be able to write as per IUPAC nomenclature. Just like aromatic aldehyde in that benzaldehyde in this acetophenone or benzophenone. So it is about nomenclature of